Let's look at how to add multiple videos into a playlist format. So I've gone ahead and added a few more videos to my list. Now, adding the videos has changed the video section here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reselect the trailer video that I'd done. It's just gone and selected all videos, but I'm going to select one video here, and I'm going to choose this trailer over here. And so now I'd get back that video. Now let's have a look here at the playlist. And we're going to create a new channel. Now, in the channel, I'm going to call this the name of the course. I'm just going to save the name. I'm going to leave the description and the channel cover for now. And then I'm going to add videos from my selection. So now these videos have been added. They can be reordered by just dragging them up and down. So I'm going to put 1, 2, and 3. Now, these videos are a mixture of videos that are uploaded. These 2 videos have been uploaded, and this is another video from YouTube. Let's see how they perform on the website in terms of speed. So I'm going to exit this, save the changes. Okay, check this out. So it says your videos are automatically added to this default channel. So the default channel is all videos. You can switch your default channel when new videos are added by going to settings. And then if you wanted to change where all new videos are uploaded, you can change the channel to another channel if you want to. Okay, great to know all of that. Let's exit. Let's have a look at how our new videos have been added. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and publish this. And now let's check on the page.
Another way of talking about these notes, you'll hear musicians.
So this video is actually, the first video is actually the YouTube video, and this is the video that was uploaded onto the computer. Video 2 and 1 are the videos that were uploaded onto WIX.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be talking about 3 different types of notes: the whole note, the half note, and your quarter note. Everything will be...
So I found the speed to be quite good for the uploaded videos, and the YouTube video is pretty decent. So the only thing you need to think about is whether you have enough space to upload new videos onto your website or not. My personal opinion is if you don't need to add videos to your Wix website account, and if they're there on YouTube, you should just go ahead and add the YouTube links. I'm going to go in and edit this channel, and I will be back soon to show you how the finished page looks like.